Hello guys, now we are going to continue with the tutorials. By the way, my name is Temopenes, the founder of Irida Digitals and Cloud Host Ghana. Okay, so before we continue, let me show you something. Irida Cloud Host Ghana, we have the cheapest web hosting packages that I think you need. Okay, and is the fastest so far. We have added all the add-ons that standard web hosting server need, okay, including Lightspeed, Unified 360 to protect your account from malicious attack and others. Okay, so you can come here and check some of our packages here. We have the cheapest domain as well. Okay, so we have that. In fact, you can't get it anywhere. Okay, so let us continue with the tutorials. Let me close this. So this is the sample site, and then this is the platform or the website that we are working on. Okay, right now, in our last video we learned about how to import products. Okay, and now we are going to continue. You see, when you look at the site that we are working on, when you go to the shop page here, you see that it's not all that good. You see, you can see the sidebar here. Things are not looking good, and even you can see that we are having different color here. Our color is what? Red and yellow. Okay, but when you look at the shop page here, we have blue color, which is not the best. Okay, so we have to change all these settings to customize it so that it will look more beautiful, let me say. Okay, so now when we look at the sample one, let's go to the shop page and look at this yellow. Everything is looking so amazing. Okay, so right now we are going to do the same. So to do that, first let's come back here. This is a sample site, is fastoexpress.shop, and this one is iridablog.xyz. so we are going to work on this one. Okay, so what do we do before we will continue? First, let me open this in a new tab, so that let me go to the front end and I will go to the shop page. Okay, good. Now let's go back here. So over here I'll go to customize. Good. So this is the sample one, and this is the one that we are working on. Okay, so here we are going to make some changes here just to make this place look amazing, okay, to look nice. So let's go to the WooCommerce, and here we can see that we have shop archive. So let's click on that. So let's go to general and let's see what we have here. So under general, let's go to that, and we have product title. So when you look at the product title here, is it okay to you? What do you think? So look at the product title. I think I want to make it let's make it 50-50, 50-50, 50-50. So hash 50-50. You see, it's now looking okay. So yeah, when you compare with this one, see, you can see this one clearly than this one. Okay, and so we can publish that. And product price, that one too is okay. If you want to change the color of the product price, we can do that, but I think this one is okay. Let's go down here. Here you see we can enable this. Let's see, when we go down here, I think we have next here, but I think we can just enable that, so that let's see. So let's refresh the page, and you see we don't have that anymore. So we can just click view and it will load the other pictures. Okay, good. Let's go down here, products cards. Okay, border, I don't want any border. If you want to add border, you can just add it, so there will be a border around the products. Okay, so hope you can see that. So there's a border. Okay, and to me I don't like that, so I will not add that. So product content over here, let's see. You see, is a center align. Okay, you can make it left so that everything will go left. Just wait, you see, but I think the center is okay. Good. Now let's go down product category. Do you want to show product category here? You can do that. Okay, if you want to show product category, you see, kit outfits. I think it's okay. Let's yeah, let's keep it. And then product quantity, we want to show quantity. We will not see that here because when I was adding the product, I did not include the quantity that we have, so it will not appear here. Equal product content, yes, I just want to have equal product content. Yes, so that is okay. Let's go to the product image. So when you put a mouse on it, what do you want to see? Okay, so you can see that you can change that. Okay, you can make it zoom so that, let's see. Oh, it's not showing. Okay, I can, let me update, publish that, come here, refresh the page. Now let's see, still the same. Okay, no problem. Let's go. Okay, the zoom, oh, let me publish that. Okay, and refresh the page. Okay, let's see. You see, it's now zooming. I hope you can see that. Okay, good. Let's come back here. So if you want to maintain that, you can do that. If you want to change to that, let me maintain this border star. We don't have border. Equal image. Yes, I want to have equal image. Okay, good. You see, so now the image height are equal here. In case they are not equal, you can use that to force the image to be equal. Okay, yeah, I think that is okay. Okay, so let's proceed. Tag. So you see the tag here, we have blue color, which is not the best. Let me click here. So we can go with the yellow, our yellow color. So let me see, this is, I can change that here. Okay, good. So and publish that. So now we don't have that blue color anymore, so we have yellow color here, which is okay. Or if you want to go with red, you can just make it red. Red is nice. Okay, so out of stock, we don't, as I said, we do not include that, so let's leave it. Okay, so so in the, basically when you are in the course of adding products, if you're able to add the quantity that you have, let's say if you add, let's say 10 of them, and as customers are buying the product, it will keep on reducing. Buying that particular product, the quantity will keep on reducing until it reaches let's say 0. Okay, so and then after that, automatically it will switch to out of stock. Okay, you don't have to do that. You don't have to manually add that. Okay, because you have, during when you were adding the products, okay, to the shop, you added the quantity that you have. Okay, good. So as customers keep on buying the product, the quantity that you have will keep on reducing. So when it gets to 0, then automatically it will switch to out of stock. Okay, that is all that it means. Okay, good. So now says we can make this one, it says says square. We can make it square or just leave it. Okay, so wish list. Okay, so let's see wish list. So we can change it, but let's maintain the default one. Add to cart button. Okay, so in that too, we have a different way. We have a different style here. You see the current one here is, let me see. You see we have, for instance, you see add to cart, but we can change to this and publish that. So when we come here and refresh the page, now the add to cart button, you see it will be on top of this one. You see, and I think it's good. Yeah, I love this one. So let's maintain this like that. So we can cut icon, so we have done that already. And then the background color. Okay, so we have to change the background color of the icon. Okay, so what color do you want us to put here? I think the black color is okay. So when we go over, then it will change to something like red color. Okay, so background color, we can make it something like this color. Okay, that black color, and hover will be something like red. Okay, let's see. So let's come back here again. We have spent about 10 minutes. Okay, and that is good. So this time, let's see, it's black. So when you put a mouse on it, like change to red. Is it not nice? I think I love this one. But you can just, I'm just guiding you, or I just want to show you how to go about it. But if you want to do it in a different way, you can do it. Okay, so this one is okay. And we have changed all the necessary. For me, I think here is okay now. Okay, left with this part, and I'm going to show you how to change that. And I think view more button, this one we need to change that. Let's see. Okay, so then we will close this, close that, and close this too, close that, close this, close that. Okay, so let's see, we need to change. Let me go to general, the view more. I think I don't like the color, so okay, so let's go to okay, so here should be able to change that. Okay, let me remove the color. Okay, I think let's maintain that, because with this I don't know why we can't change the button color from here. Okay, then I think I know where to do that. Let's see. Okay, then let's go here. I think we can change it from here. Okay, so let's leave here. Let me see, let me go through here if we can see something. Got, okay, and let's see, add to cart here. Let me see, add to cart, and over here too we need to change this too. Okay, so cart page. Okay, so we don't have any color here. Mini cart. Okay, so let's see, before checkouts, okay, before checkouts. Okay, so let's leave that. Okay, so let's see, background color. So background color, let's go with this one, the black color, and let's see. Okay, so right now I will just delete that. So click that. Yes, I've refreshed the page. Let me click here again. Okay, this one too, we need to change that. Yes, so we need to change that. We can still see that. Okay, so this one is for the background, this color is for the background. Okay, and I think it's not the best to make it, so let's go back, make it white. White is okay. Okay, so let's go to single products here, general. Let's go to image. Now here we are done with that. Let's go to products, mirror. Okay, so view products. Okay, so we can also enable a recent view product. Okay, but I don't want to add that, so add to carts, so we can do that at single product. Okay, so just come here, single product here, and when you go down here we have, let me go back up, let me close all these. Okay, so you see here. Okay, good. So we have add to cart button here, so we can just select that, and we have background color. We should go with black. This black color is okay, and then hover will be something like yellow or red. This is yellow. Let me go with this red color. Okay, so the text is okay, so we can now come here. Let me refresh the page again, and now we have that color. Okay, if I add it over here too, I think we need to change this. Good, so let's come back again. Okay, so if we cannot see where to change that, then okay, so let's see, mini carts, before and after. Okay, so background color, let's see. Okay, that one is different, I think. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so if you cannot identify where to change that, we can do it here. We can just click here to add it, and over here we can just do that. Okay, so let me put a mouse on it like this, and I will just change the star. Okay, so star boots. Later I'll show you how to change that. So click that, and here I can just come back here. Let me remove this one from here. I'll go to this, then I will enter the color, the background color here. Okay, so if I want to use a color of, let's say, black, I can just make it hash. Okay, let's see, that is hash 000. Okay, and that's color. I can come back here, copy that, then I will cut it from here, remove that. So let me remove that, and let's see. So I'll come back here, customize. Later I will show you how to start from the whole thing, because right now I can't just go back. Okay, so later I'll give you access to this code or how to. So I'll come here, close this, and I will paste that here. Okay, let me publish that. Now let's come back here again. I will delete all these. Okay, so I can now close that and refresh the page. Okay, so right now let me add to cart again, and this time you see we don't have that blue color anymore. Yes, good. So we are done with that. So I've used the CSS to remove that. Okay, good, and everything is looking nice here. Okay, so what else can we do? So right now when you look at the shop page here, I think we are done with the arrangement. Okay, everything is looking nice. So in our next video we will look at how to add what do you call it, that is the product filters. Okay, how to filter product, or how to add this to the sidebar. Okay, we will look at that in our next video. Right now we have already spent about 70 minutes, which is too much. So all that I can say for now is thank you for watching. Bye bye.